So good evening friends. Now this time we are going to solve sums on trigonometry, and this is question number 13. This is and question number 13 we are going to solve right now. This is part number 1. So this is question number 13 part 1, and part 1 is, and question is cos theta upon sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta plus sine theta upon cos 90, sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta. So now we will write cos theta upon sine 90 minus theta becomes cos theta plus sine theta, and cos 90 minus theta becomes sine theta. So cos theta cancel, we get 1, and sine theta we get 1. So 1 plus 1 we get 2. So RHS is 2. This was question number part 1 of question number 13. And now part 2 of question number 13, that is cos theta sine 90 minus theta plus sine theta cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, cos theta sine 90 minus theta plus sine theta cos 90 minus theta. Now cos theta and sine 90 minus theta becomes cos theta, so it becomes cos theta plus sine theta and cos 90 minus theta becomes sine theta. So now we have cos square theta plus sine square theta, and we know cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, so it is RHS. This was the second part of question number 13, and now we are going to solve third part of now we are going to solve third part of question number 13. Question number 13, third part. Question number 13, third part will be tan theta upon tan 90 minus theta, tan theta upon tan 90 minus theta plus sine 90 minus theta upon sine 90 minus theta upon cos theta. So tan theta upon cot theta, tan 90 minus theta becomes cot theta, and sine 90 minus theta becomes cos theta upon cos theta. So this cos theta, so now we will write cos theta and cos theta cancelled, it is 1, and tan theta 1, and it becomes tan theta upon 1 upon tan theta plus 1, and it will go up. It becomes tan square theta plus 1, and as we know, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta, so it becomes RHS. So it becomes tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So this was the third part of question number 13. Tan theta upon tan 90 minus theta, the sin 90 minus theta upon cos theta, tan theta upon cot theta plus cos theta upon cos theta, tan theta cancelled off, so we get this. At last we get tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. This was question number 13. Now we come to question number 12. And question number 12 is question number 12 part 1, and question is 2 tan 35 upon cot 55, 2 tan 35 plus cot 55 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस cot 55 upon tan 55 and minus 3 sec theta, sorry, it is 2 tan 35 upon cot 55, 2 tan 35 upon cot 55 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस cot 55 upon tan cot 55 upon tan 35 minus 3 sec 40 upon sec 40 degree, 3 sec 40 degree upon cosec 50 degree. Now tan 35 upon tan 35 upon cot 90 minus 35 plus cot 55 upon tan 90 minus 55 and minus 3 sec 40 degree. ये हो गया तुम्हारा sec 90 minus 50 upon cosec 40 degree. Fine. So now this will now what we will do, we will convert this to this is 50. Right. So you get 2 tan 35 upon tan 35 cot 90 minus 35 becomes tan 35 plus cot 55 upon tan 90 minus 55 becomes cot 55 minus 3 into ये जाएगा cosec 50 upon cosec 50 this cosec 50 cancelled off, all these, this is cancelled, we get 1, this is cancelled, we get 1, 1, and this is cosec 50 1. Now 2 plus 1 minus 3 into 1. 2 plus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 3 into 1. So it becomes 2 plus 1 minus 3 becomes 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is 0. This was question number 12, part 1. This was question number 12, part 1. And now this was question number 12, part 1. Now we are going to solve question 12, part 2. Question 12, part 2. Now we are going to solve question number 12, part 2. Question number 12, part 2. And the question is sine 35 degree cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree plus cos 35 degree sine 55 degree sine 55 degree. Fine. Sine 55. Now upon we have cosec square 10 minus tan square 80 degree. Fine. So now we will write sine 35 degree into cos 90 minus 35 plus cos 35 into sine 90 minus 35 degree 90 minus 35, and then we solve it. So this is cosec square 90 minus 80 minus tan square 80 and that is equal to sine square 35 into sine 35, so sine 35 into sine 35 plus cos 35 into cos 35 yeah. Yes. I wrote here correctly that is yeah, cos 35 and cos 35 upon sec square 80 degree minus tan square 80, and now we have sine 35 becomes sine square 35 plus cos square 35 upon sec square 80 plus tan square 80. So now it becomes 1 upon 1 is equal to 1, and as we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or we can write it sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this identity we have used here to solve the question. So this was the second part of question number 12. This was the second part of question number 12, and now we have to solve third part of question number 12. Now we have to solve third part of question number 12. I hope I explained you well and solve the questions. So next question is question number 13, question number 12, part 13, and the question is sin square 34 plus sin square 34 plus sin square 56 plus 2 tan square 18, sorry, 2 tan 18 cot 72, 2 tan 18 cot 72 22 minus cot square 30. Now we will solve it. That is sin square 35 plus sin square 90 minus 34. Sorry, sin square 34 plus sin square 90 minus 34 plus 2 tan 90 minus 72 into cot 72. No, it's not cot. I hope I'm going wrong. Minus cot square. It is not cot 72. It should be something. It's minus cot square 30. Right. So this is sin square 34 yeah, that is, I find that is, yes, it is 2 tan 18 1072. It is 1072. Very good. And here will also, it will not cot, it is 1072 minus cot square 30. Now we will solve sin square 34 plus cos square 34 plus 2 into cot 72 into tan 72 minus cot 30 is √3, तो √3 का होल स्क्वायर. नाउ साइन स्क्वायर 34 प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर 34, sin square 34 and cos square 34 becomes 1. Here we will use identity that is known as sin square 34 plus cos square 34 is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so that's why it is 1 plus 2 into it should be plus 2 into 1 upon 1072 into 1072 minus square of √3 is 3. The square of √3 is 3. Now 72 is cancelled off and we get 1 plus 2 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the solution of 12th part of the 12th question number 12 part 3. This is what we have. Sin square 34 plus cos square 34 will be sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I write 1 here, and cot 72 becomes 1 upon 1072 and into 1072, and √3 whole square becomes 3. Now 1072 and 1072 is cancelled off, we get 1. So we have 1 plus 2 minus 3 becomes 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this was the solution, and this is how we use different trigonometrical identities and values of standard angles for solving these questions. And I hope I convince you in a better way. I solve this in a better way. Thank you.